Over 2,000 malicious apps made it into the Play Store in just the first quarter of the year. Some were downloaded hundreds of thousands of times before anyone realized they were fake. These fake apps look really convincing. They copy the names, the logos, even the descriptions of real apps. Scammers count on you rushing and tapping install without thinking. Have you ever downloaded an app that looked totally legit, only to realize something felt off? Maybe it drained your battery like crazy, asked for weird permissions, or just flooded your screen with annoying pop-ups. These days, fake apps are more convincing than ever, and if you don't know what to look for, you could hand over your private data without even realizing it. And yes, this can happen even on official app stores. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to spot fake apps before they compromise your phone, your privacy, and even your money. We'll break down the red flags, the tricks cyber criminals use to fool even smart users, and what you can do right now to protect yourself. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for tips on how to protect yourself online if you are new here. Let's get started. Right now, there are over 3.5 million apps on Google Play, and over 2 million more on Apple's App Store. And scammers, they've joined the party. According to a 2024 report by McAfee, over 2,000 malicious apps made it into the Play Store in just the first quarter of the year. Some were downloaded hundreds of thousands of times before anyone realized they were fake. The problem? These fake apps look really convincing. They copy the names, the logos, even the descriptions of real apps. Some even have 5-star ratings, and thousands of glowing reviews. But don't let that fool you. Want to spot fake apps before they hit your phone? Start here. Check the name, the developer, and the logo. Let's say you're downloading WhatsApp. You search and see something called WhatsApp Pro Chat Fast. Same green logo, same color, almost identical, but look closer. Who's the developer? The real WhatsApp is published by Meta Platforms. If you see WhatsApp Tools Studio or anything slightly off, don't touch it. Scammers count on you rushing and tapping install without thinking. Think 5-star reviews mean an app is safe? Not always. Scammers flood fake apps with glowing fake reviews. Scroll down and take a closer look. Are all the comments super vague? Great app. Very nice. Works perfectly. These are usually generated by bots. Check the 1-star reviews too. That's where real users often warn, this isn't the real version. It asked for my bank login. Crashes constantly. Reading between the lines can save you from disaster. Here's a big one, permissions. A calculator app should never need access to your camera and microphone, but fake apps count on you tapping allow without thinking. Ask yourself, why would this app need that? Would a legit version do the same? If the answer is no, delete it immediately. 1 million downloads? That doesn't mean an app is safe. Fake apps use bots to fake download stats and climb the rankings. So yes, check the download count, but also check developer, reviews, permissions, update history. They all matter. Real apps are updated regularly. Bug fixes, security patches, new features. Fake apps, not so much. If an app hasn't been updated in over a year, or worse, never, that's a red flag. Also, watch out for vague logs like bug fixes, with no other details. Fake developers don't maintain apps. They're just after a quick data grab before they get caught. Not all fake apps live on app stores. Some hide in websites, phishing emails, or sketchy social media posts. If someone DMs you a download link, think twice. Always go to the official store and search manually. Logos are easy to copy, and scammers know it. A recent Android Trojan disguised itself as Chrome, with a nearly identical icon. Thousands installed it, giving attackers access to text messages, call logs, and even keystrokes. Train your eye to spot what's off. Blurry image, wrong colors, different icon spacing, don't ignore it. Yes, tools like Norton, Bitdefender, and Lookout can help. They scan apps and alert you to danger, but they're not perfect. Fake apps still slip through. That's why you, the user, are still the best line of defense. Sometimes, you just know. The app feels clunky. The layout is weird. Something's off. Trust your instinct. Uninstall the app. Then, look it up online. Reddit, blogs, or security forums. Your gut? It's often smarter than any antivirus app. If you think you installed a fake app, don't panic. Here's what to do. Uninstall it immediately. Run a security scan. Change any passwords you used in the app. Watch your emails and bank accounts for strange activity. And take it as a lesson. Every mistake sharpens your instincts for next time. Spotting fake apps isn't optional anymore. It's part of being a smart digital citizen, because every time you download an app, you're putting your trust in its creator. Make sure that trust is earned. Want a full checklist to keep your phone safe? Download the free Telerus Mobile Security Guide, link in the description. Need help protecting your data? Book a free consultation with one of our security specialists. Or see our AI-powered demo in action and watch how Telerus spots fake apps in real time before they get to you. Stay smart, stay secure, and remember, when it comes to your privacy, you're the first line of defense. Was this helpful? Like and share this video to help others out there. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on how to protect yourself online. Thanks for watching.